Senate President Akpabio has arrived in Vatican City alongside other prominent Nigerian delegates ahead of the funeral ceremony of Pope Francis, scheduled to take place on Saturday. The delegation, led by Akpabio, was appointed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to represent Nigeria at the final rite of the late pontiff. The high-level group include key religious and government figures. Joining Akpabio are the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Bianca Odumegu Ojukwu, President of the Catholic Bishop Conference of Nigeria, Archbishop Lucius Iwejuru Ugoji, Bishop of the Sokoto Diocese, Matthew Azan Kuka, and Archbishop Ignatius Ayua Kagema of Abuja. In the Facebook post shared on Friday, Akpabio expressed the nation's respect and condolences. As the leader of Nigeria's delegation to the burial ceremony of Pope Francis, I pay tribute to our departed Pope on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Nigerian people at the lying-in state of Pope Francis inside St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican City, he wrote. While Catholic members worldwide still mourn the death of Pope Francis, we'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.